Hey guys, so run right over to Yardie TV to see how you take a cup of this and turn it into this homemade butter. Yes, with all of your nice additives, your fixings like your salt and your garlic and whatever flavor you want. But you can make your own homemade, all natural butter.
Butter.
Butter. Salt, mustard, pepper, butter.